my name is Miriam from Mir Salgado Photography, and today I want to share with you 3 ideas to create awesome gifts for Valentine's Day using your photos. So first you are going to need to go and buy some stuff, like probably some hearts or frames, and glue if you don't have glue at home. Be sure that you have all the items that you are going to need to do your project. After that, when you have the time, go to the internet and find some images that you want to use as backgrounds, or to decorate your card, or to decorate the frame that we are going to do today. In this case, I went to Pinterest and searched for some flowers, natural flowers, a little bit darker, and I tried to print it the same size that I wanted to use them. Like a lot of them were really dark, and I didn't want it to do like super darker, but I tried to do some color too. We have, I think, everything that we're going to need today, and we are going to do some frames with a picture that I actually have in original. But for this project, I'm gonna do it in black and white, or you can do it like as a copy. It's easier in case we did something wrong, we can do it again. So we are gonna need this and frames, and what I was telling you about, to print some things that you want to use as part of the decoration. But I also have some stickers here, I'm gonna show you, and some different kind of, I don't know, this is a modern paper block. You had a lot of designs. This is super cute because you have like different kind of stickers that you can use to decorate your card in case you want to do a card. So first we want to start with the frame. Letters, you can add a date, you can add, you can write something like I love you, and I was thinking to use some crayons for this, or if you have a pencil, a special pencil, you can do it like super nice and stylish just for you. It's up to you, you can write the day, the year, whatever is best for you. So I'm gonna write something right now just to see how does this look like. So with a marker, I'm gonna write probably here the year 2018, can you believe it? So I'm gonna just write it down in the way that I like it. I mean, if you know calligraphy, this will be super awesome. Our first project with photos. I mean, it doesn't have to be the real photo. As I told you, you can take a picture of it, you can do a scanner, you can take it from the internet if you have in Facebook or Instagram, and then just print it. I did it in black and white because it's the style that I am decorating my house. Okay, so the second project is something that actually my son did it. And I thought this is such a good idea because the kids sometimes want to do something special for... So he did this amazing collage. It's a collage with a lot of pictures. So he asked me to have a lot of pictures of him, of his life. We are a family with different nationalities, so he included the different passports of each of us. And well, he did it actually in like probably 5 minutes. So what he did was he put all the pictures together here. He didn't glue it, so he put it just here, like kind of do the collage like this, putting one by one, designing how he wanted to, you know, to do the setup, because then he realized that probably he could do a shape. And that shape become a heart. And he took a picture from the top of it. So he took a picture of this, a couple of pictures, and then he sent it to me, or I mean, you can just upload it to your computer or even in your iPhone, and you can go anywhere and print it in the size that you want it. And well, the last one, I was thinking, what happened if you don't have a printer, or what happened if you don't have the time to go and shop all of these, or what happened if you don't have so many pictures to do a collage like this one, or you don't have the time to do it. Do a very nice digital card. So I found these in Michael's. These are little notebooks that had a lot of different designs papers. They are amazing because they are in different sizes. So you can just go and cut some of them. They are really, really cute. And do something special with it. I mean, there is a lot of papers that are like shiny or with different textures. You can use those too. And then with your cell phones, pretty easy. You just go and take a picture. So we are going to take a picture of this, like horizontal, vertical, different ways. If you can see the reflection here, you just have to find out where you take the picture, and probably later you can crop it. Thank you very much, and see you soon in another video.